It has been strongly hinted by Nissan that the next generation Navara, which is anticipated to be released in about 2024 and will look noticeably different to its under-the-skin twin, the coming all-new 6th generation Mitsubishi Triton, and might even edge upmarket as the long-awaited replacement for the discontinued D40 Navara. Nissan has made this statement. Hi, welcome back to NamCar channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the next generation pickup truck of 2024 Nissan Navara and what's new for 2024. Stay tuned and we will find out today. According to Nissan, the entire gross vehicle weight of the brand new 2024 Nissan Navara PRO-4X Warrior has increased by 100 kilograms, and it has reached a new high of 3,250 kilograms for the manual and 952 kilograms for the automatic. To verify that the new design is up to Nissan standards as well as the expectations of its customers, PRO conducted a battery of tests both on and off the road with the vehicle. The truck's suspension is managed by a Rockwell Automotive completely active transfer case, increasing the vehicle's off-road capability. The track has been lengthened from 1570mm to 1600mm and 275/70 Cooper Discover all-terrain AT3 tires have been fitted to the wheels. With updated spring and damping rates, the upgraded suspension should provide a more comfortable ride and improved handling on and off the road. With a larger ground clearance of 260mm, the approach angle can be increased from 32 degrees to 36 degrees, while the departure angle can be reduced from 19.8 degrees to 19 degrees. Based on reports from CarExpert, the new Nissan Navara was designed to compete with the likes of the Ford F-150 and Ram 1500, as well as the X-Trail, Qashqai, and Pathfinder crossovers. The Titan pickup truck was produced and sold in the United States. A stern takes on Nissan's corporate face is situated in front, surrounded by slender, angular LED daytime running lights. The Navara's rear end is adorned with parts stolen from a Nissan Titan and a Nissan Frontier. Like the existing Warrior, features bulging wheel arches and rugged detailing. As part of a plan by the Renault-Nissan-Mitsubishi alliance to cut costs, the next Nissan Navara will be made at the same time as the Mitsubishi Triton. The alliance said last year that it wanted to share upper bodies of vehicles, as well as platforms and electrical architectures. This would cut the cost of making a new model by 40%. The PRO-4X keeps all of its great functions and features, like its 8.0 inches touchscreen with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, 7.0 inches semi-digital instrument cluster, a Nissan safety suite with automatic emergency braking and rear cross-traffic warning, front and rear parking sensors, heated seats, blind spot monitoring with warning lights, forward collision warning with pedestrian detection, 360-degree front and rear cameras, heated and ventilated front seats, leather upholstery, and a 6-speaker infotainment system with an 8.0 inches touchscreen are just some of the features found in the fully lined load tub. Production has not ceased on the 2.3-liter twin-turbo 4-cylinder diesel engine that generates 140 kilowatt and 450 Newton-meter. The towing capacity of either the manual or automatic transmissions is 35 kilograms, giving buyers a choice. As with the Outlander PHEV, Nissan is rumored to release a plug-in hybrid version of the X-Trail. Navara sales are now lower than those of the Ford Ranger, Toyota Hilux, Isuzu D-Max, Mitsubishi Triton, and Mazda BT50. So, what do you think? All the information on this video is unofficial, but the official specs, features, and Nissan Navara will be updated as soon as possible after the official launch. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and leave comment. Thanks for watching.